MZ. Welcome to Menumiz How to series. In this tutorial, we will learn how to cut dockets with a simple, step-by-step guide. By following these instructions, you'll master the process with ease.
Log in to your menumiz account using your credentials and access printer settings from the dashboard. Choose the type of printer you are using: Wi-Fi, LAN, Bluetooth, or USB. Click on the settings icon at the top right side of the page. Select one of the following options based on your preferences. Cut dockets based on order number. Group by category. The entire order will be printed on one docket, grouped by category. Cut dockets based on food category split cut. Dockets will be separated by food category. Example: burger, beer, salad. Cut dockets by item. A separate docket will be printed for each item ordered. Cut dockets without grouping. The entire order will be printed on one docket without grouping items. Thank you for watching.
You have successfully chosen the docket cutting option that suits your needs.
Menumiz, digitally yours.